How to add your age in Amazon Shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add up your age. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now on the top, simply tap on your profile again. Here, you'll be able to see edit profile. Simply tap on it. Now here, these are the profile settings. Now on the top, you can see clothing and shoes. Simply tap on it. Now this is the section about you. Here you can customize different things and give information about you. Here on the bottom, simply tap on age group and tap on add. Now we can add your age group. So here there are different divisions that you can choose from. So here I'm selecting one and tap on save. Now if you go back, it's all saved now. Even the preferences and recommendation will be according to what you give the information about yourself. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.